So here's Claim app, make them pay, as you can see in top charts right now in the US App Store. So what is that? So there are a lot of services, and there are a lot of like class action lawsuits, meaning like you were buying products from Apple, and for example, then there was like a data leakage from Apple, and then there is a class lawsuit against Apple, and then even if you don't know, you can claim like $50, $100, even whatever, and you just basically free money. And Claim app helps you out to like file the documents for it automatically. Usually it's like you can do it yourself. You can just go to the website, fill it some form, but then if it's more complicated, probably you need a lawyer or you need some evidence or things like that. Here, they just do everything for you for the simple settlements. So for example, for Apple, if you used Apple in the last 5 years, like if you bought product, you can get $100, $10 from Deep River, Similasa, like all kind of brands in here. And if no proof, meaning it's super easy to fill out, or you don't need any like paper proof, no documents, nothing, so you can just do that. You can also get like Airbnb, Bumble, I don't know, all these kind of brands, Fortnite, Halo, Juul, MasterCard, Pepsi, Visa, Robinhood, all kinds of. And then you can see that there are some deadlines, so you need to set up notification, and these are basically free money in here. So this is like free money which you can have. So pretty cool. And then you can see your wallet. You can then cash out. All payouts are sent to prepaid by settlement administrator. So that's basically the idea. They're adding more options, one more Zella, physical check soon, but right now only prepaid virtual card. And then you can read more FAQs, try Claim app, what is Claim. So many claims, meaning that you won't need to upload receipts or documents. However, each settlement has its own requirements. Is Claim a law firm? No. Do I need a lawyer? No. Does Claim give legal advice? No. So what this app actually does? So they discover open class action settlements, pre-fill claim forms using your answers, mail those forms to the official settlement administrator if you authorize this. We do not represent you, provide legal advice, or contact the courts. I'm responsible for the information, yes. So that's what it is. It only works in US though, so that's just what it is. Only works in US, and that's the idea. And then you can just claim all of this. There is no Cash App in here, so some of the Cash App has a lot of these lawsuits. There's often some issue with Cash App, but there is no Cash App, and there is no few other apps. It's not all of the apps, it's just some of those. So that's just what you have in here. So that's what it is. That's the app. So definitely give it a try. You need to be based in US, I guess. US phone number. I don't know where you need like social security number or like or to be a citizen. But yeah, that's what it is.